The House That Grew Grumpy. In a quiet little town, there lived a house. It wasn't just any house. This house had a secret. It could feel. And lately, it was feeling very, very grumpy. There is always housework to do when you live in a house, it would grumble to the passing clouds. The windows were so dusty, the house could barely see the children playing outside. I wish someone would wash my windows, it sighed, its voice a creak of old wood. I want to see the sunshine clearly. Inside, the floors and carpets were covered in crumbs and fluff. The house hated the tickly feeling. Oh, the floors and carpets need to be vacuumed. It groaned. And my beautiful wood floors need a good wash and wax to shine again. The furniture was dull and coated in a layer of dust. The house remembered a time when its tables and chairs gleamed. The furniture has to be polished, it mumbled sadly. And don't even get me started on the bathroom. The bathtub had a ring of soap scum that made the house feel grimy all over. After you have a bath, you need to clean out the bathtub, it muttered to the dripping faucet. It's only polite. A mountain of clothes was growing in the laundry room. Laundry needs to be done regularly, the house huffed. Or you will run out of clothes to wear, and I'll have to look at this messy pile forever. The house dreamed of the hum of the washing machine and the warm scent of clean clothes from the dryer. The clothes go into the washing machine, and then they have to be dried in the dryer, it wished. Sometimes, on sunny days, the house would see its neighbor's clothes dancing on the line in the breeze. Sometimes, we hang the clothes out on the line to be dried, it whispered longingly. Some of the clothes even need to be ironed to look their best. The refrigerator was nearly empty, and the cupboards were bare. You have to buy groceries and put them away, the house's stomach rumbled, which sounded like a creak in the floorboards. Meals need to be made. But most of all, the house hated the pile of dirty dishes in the kitchen sink. You can't let the dishes pile up in the kitchen, it declared to the lone spoon on the counter. It's a disgrace.